is a holding that holds a quantity of Italian cutting-edge technology companies. We operate in different fields, mainly, let me say, environment and energy. And we are also very active in water treatment and in general in what you mean technology. We spread technology all around Europe, and we have 3 offices in Italy and 2 in different parts of the world, one in East Africa and the other one in Latin America, Santiago de Chile. And of course we are trying to bring technology all over the world. As you know, Italian technology is very, very cutting edge, is very important. And this is the reason why we have created this, let me say, rassemblement, in order to get closer different parts and capabilities for technology. Currently, we are operating with the most important multinational company all over the world, and we operate in infrastructures, we operate in water treatment and power generation. We have a special attention to green technologies in order to produce energy without pollution. As you know, all over the world, and especially in a beautiful country like yours, it's very important to maintain environmental aspect very safe. The future is there, is producing energy, is producing pure water without pollution. Of course, we are very interested in Maldives activities because we think that Maldives is a country with a very high potential to be developed. And we are very grateful to Mr. Jaabir for meeting us and inviting us here. We think that friendship and brothership among our countries is a very important value to put ahead. And we are sure that we are going to arrange a very fruitful cooperation between our nations.
So what are the areas you are interested in Maldives?
Okay, we have seen Kashadu and Gafadu, and we think that they are very, very interesting in terms of infrastructure, in terms of new initiatives that could help to develop a new economy over there. We have seen a beautiful landscape with very interesting areas to be developed. We have seen areas for an airport, we have seen areas for a new hospital, we have seen area for new guest house. So I think that there will be the future and will be the potential of Maldives now.
So in future you are going to, many projects would be, running through those 2 islands, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so many Maldivians are really amazed about this cable car project. So what is your thinking about this project?
Yes. Speaking with Mr. Jaabir, that got this idea, we are here in order to bring here the technology necessary to develop these infrastructures that has a lot of advantage. If you think about environment, for example, it's a very smart way to connect areas that are quite far and spending few money and having a very good result in terms of mobility, connection with few footprint, let me say. So we are here in order to get all the information and prepare the project in order to develop this idea.
Would it be able to done here? The sea is very rough in that area. It would be possible.
Yes.
Because many things that due to this sea roughness and it's a bit far, it's not possible.
But do consider that the vast majority of this kind of technology are applied in high mountains, where the weather is terrible, it's very tough, you have a very windy zooms, so we are not scared about tropical condition of this area. We think that of course we have to take care of all this information, of all this feature of this land, but I think that this is feasible and is a very good cutting edge idea.
If this project is finalized, how long it would take to start this project and this research thing also?
Okay, the research will be start immediately when I'll be back in Italy. We hope that in a few months we will be able to prepare a design to submit to all the authorities in order to get the project approved.
So, what are the areas actually you are mostly interested in Kashidu and Gafaru? Which areas?
We had a tour over there. We visited the areas, and we saw that the new areas where the new intervention are forecast are, in my opinion, my humble opinion, the most important area in terms of tourist and let me say economic development. We have seen that all the new areas that have been created with feeding sands from the sea and the reef part and the shore part are of course the most interesting one. We have seen a very big potential, and we think that we'll be able to bring there all the ideas that Mr. Javier is going to realize.
So, have you ever, done this cable car project in any country or?
Yes. We know very well. Do consider that in Italy there are the vast majority of cable cars in the world. Do consider that there are very interesting examples of cable car in Vietnam as well, in South America as well, for connection and mobility within countries, within cities, and between towns and different cities. So the technology is very well known in terms of engineering aspects, and we think that there are not particular difficulties in bringing it here in Maldives.
So, from this company, have you done it in any place?
Yes, we are partner of a company that is very important all around the world for realizing cable car, and this company is beside us in developing this new technology here. So we have a very good track list with our partner.
Okay. About this word. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.